Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm breaking down the key differences to help you decide which platform is the perfect fit, Kajabi or Podia. First, let's talk about Kajabi. Kajabi is a powerhouse platform designed for serious entrepreneurs. It's got everything you need to run your business under one roof: course creation, email marketing, landing page, analytics, and even a mobile app for your students. But all of those features come at a cost. Kajabi starts at $149 per month. It's an investment, but if you're planning to scale, the built-in tools can save you time and money in the long run. Now let's take a look at Podia. Podia is known for its simplicity and affordability. Starting at just $39 a month, Podia gives you unlimited courses, digital products, and email campaigns. It's perfect for creators who want a straightforward platform without the bells and whistles. However, Podia lacks advanced marketing tools and analytics, which might be a deal breaker if you are aiming for rapid growth. So, which one should you choose? If you're just starting out or working with a tight budget, Podia's simplicity and lower price point make it a fantastic choice. But if you are ready to scale and want all-in-one convenience, Kajabi is worth the investment. Both platforms are excellent for different type of creators, so the decision comes down to your goals and budget. Let me know in the comments which one you choose. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.